In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Session Indicator on Tradingview. If you're looking to enhance your charting experience by clearly visualizing different trading sessions, this tutorial will walk you through step by step. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how to customize the Session Indicator will help you declutter your charts, focus on the data that matters, and make better informed trading decisions. Let's dive in and get started. First, open Tradingview and navigate to the chart you'd like to work with. Tradingview is a fantastic platform for market analysis, and if you don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Once your chart is open, look for the Indicators button at the top of the chart. Click on it, and a search bar will appear. In the search bar, type the word Session. This will bring up a list of results. Now locate the session indicator created by LuxAlgo. This is an excellent tool for marking trading sessions, and it's widely trusted by the Tradingview community. Once you find it in the list, click on it to add it to your chart. After adding the indicator, you'll see it appear on your chart. Next, look for the settings icon next to the indicator's name. This is typically represented by a small gear icon. Click on it to open the customization menu. This is where we'll tailor the indicator to better suit your needs. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom of the settings menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Show Daily Divider. The Daily Divider adds extra lines to separate each trading day, but for many users, these can make the chart look overly cluttered. To simplify your view, uncheck the box next to Show Daily Divider. This will remove those extra lines, giving your chart a cleaner appearance. While we're in the settings menu, let's adjust the transparency of the indicator. Look for the transparency option. It controls how bold or subtle the highlighted session areas appear on your chart. Set the transparency to 79%. This adjustment ensures the session highlights are present without being visually overwhelming, allowing you to focus more on the price data. Next, scroll up within the settings menu until you reach the color section. By default, the session highlights might appear in yellow. While this is functional, black is often a better choice for a cleaner, more professional look. It also makes the price data stand out more clearly. So go ahead and change any yellow session boxes or highlights to black. Once you've made these changes, click OK to save everything. Your chart will now update to reflect the new settings. Take a moment to review it. The session areas should be clearly marked and easy to identify, but they'll also blend more subtly into the background, letting your price data take center stage. And that's it. You've successfully set up and customized the session indicator on Tradingview. By following these steps, you've created a cleaner and more professional-looking chart that highlights trading sessions without unnecessary distractions. If you have any questions about this process or want to see tutorials on other Tradingview features, let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.